Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the NewPort Vessels Carmel 7'7" airfloor inflatable boat. It's PVC based. I know there's a lot of issues with PVC and the heat and that kind of thing, but for what I could find used around here in a Hypalon, I think I'm better off with this approach. If it lasts me a couple of years, I'm good. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. He shipped it via UPS, so it was pretty straightforward. Let's see what we've got in the box. Right off the bat, I see a warning label. Let's see what it has to say. Contact NewPort Vessels directly for all customer service questions. I did buy this from them directly and not on their Amazon site, so everything should be ready to go. I'm looking for the paperwork so that I can go ahead and register this in the state of Florida. This is a support vessel for Tika. This is obviously the seat, the paddles, looks like a repair kit. That's exactly what it is. We have the pump to inflate it. The instructions. I actually looked at the instructions online, and they talk about inflating it partially and then kind of going around that way, so won't really go through all of this. Here's the parts that come with it. Of course, the seat we shown, the boat and the airfloor storage bag, and a couple other items, and we'll find those as they come out. Also a line. Slightly heavier than I anticipated. I bought this is the smallest version that they have, which is a 7'7". My boat is 10.5 foot wide, and the swim platform is about 9, so I wanted to stay within the realms of that so that I could not have issues going through locks and that type of thing. The non-bag bag looks fairly substantial. Material is good looking material. Of course, as always, it might be fun getting it back into this, but I may just once it's built and inflated, put it in the back of my pickup truck and take it down to the boat after the fact. Let's go ahead and roll her out. Don't know how long it was stored, so let's go ahead and grab the foot pump. And start pumping her up. The paperwork I was hoping to find, I don't see, but There's an inflate and deflate set up on this pump. So we'll lock it in on the inflate side. The valve has a lock-in position, it looks like. That's where we'll start. There we have it. Big man, little boat.